Hi everyone. Welcome back to the Natural Glow. Today, I'm starting something super exciting, the Rice Water Face Challenge. Can this simple kitchen ingredient really brighten, tighten, and heal your skin? Let's find out together. Rice water is the leftover water after soaking or boiling rice. It's loaded with vitamins, antioxidants, and amino acids that can help tone the skin, brighten the complexion, and even soothe sensitivity. Brightens the skin. Reduces dark spots and pigmentation. Soothes inflammation. Tightens pores. Gives a natural glow. Many people swear by rice water for glowing skin. It's even said to help with pigmentation and uneven skin tone. Here's how I make it. Take 1 cup of rice and rinse it well. Add 2 to 3 cups of water and soak for 24 hours. Strain and store the rice water in the fridge for up to 3 to 4 days. I'll be using rice water in 2 ways. As a toner, I'll apply it with a cotton pad twice a day. As a face mist, I'll spray it during the day to refresh and hydrate. I'm doing this for 7 to 30 days. I'll track skin brightness, pore size, smoothness, pigmentation changes, overall glow. Are you ready to join me on this rice water face challenge? Comment below if you're in. Let's glow together naturally. Subscribe, join the challenge. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to The Natural Glow for my weekly updates and final results. See you soon.